Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to fix your Google Chrome not working, responding or opening in the Windows 11. So let's proceed to the tutorial. First of all, you'll have to open File Explorer. This would be in your taskbar over here, but if you still don't have it in your taskbar, you can just search it in the search option over here. You can type in File Explorer. Over here you'll have to click on this PC and then you'll have to click on your C drive. Now you'll have to open Program Files x86 and then click on the Google folder over here. Now you'll have to open your Chrome folder. So for me, as you can see, I don't have my Chrome folder, but most of you will have your Chrome folder over here. And if you don't have your Chrome folder over here, you don't need to worry. I'll be showing you where your Chrome folder can be. So what you can do is that you can just right click on your Google Chrome and then you can select open file location. So for me, instead of program files 86, I have it in my normal program files, which is not 86. So as you can see over here, which is program files, not the 86 one, only the program files, and then you click on Google and then you see the Chrome is over here. So you'll have to find your path on which folder you have your Google Chrome. So for me, I have it over here. Now you'll have to click on the Chrome folder and then you'll have to click on the application folder. Now you'll see your Chrome over here. What you can do is that you can just right click on it and then you'll see this option over here, show more options. Now you'll have to select send to and then you'll have to select desktop, create a new shortcut. So you'll see there'll be a new shortcut over here. You can delete the old one, but for me it's working fine, so I won't delete it. And then you can rename it to Chrome, show more options, rename, and just type in Chrome over here. So for the old one, which is a faulty one, you can delete it, and the new one you can keep it instead of the one. And now you can just close this. So now you'll have to right click on Chrome and then you'll have to click on show more options, and over here you'll have to click on pin to taskbar. And as you can see, it is pinned to our taskbar. Your Google Chrome should now be working fine, but if it's still not working, what you can do is that you can go to your search and type in CMD over there. Now to open the app, you have to run it as administrator for your host to work. You have to right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Now you'll have to click on yes on the prompt, which you will see. Over here you'll have to type in NETSH and a space, INT space IP space RESET. After reset you have to again give a space and then you'll have to type in a capital C, a column, slash reset log dot txt, and then you have to click on your enter on your keyboard. So this reset some of the settings, and after this you have to type in another command, which is NETSH WINSOCK and then RESET, and now you'll have to click on enter. So you reset your some of the settings, which will help your Chrome to work, and now your Chrome should be working. But before that you have to type in the last command, which is ipconfig, config, and there should be a space slash flush DNS, and now you have to click on enter, and now this will flush your DNS or just reset it. And after this you'll have to restart your computer or your PC. you can close the CMD. You will have to go to your start, and over here you'll have to just click on restart. From here you can restart your PC and your Google Chrome should be working now properly. And for more similar videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.